Hey, if you film with your iPhone, you already know this problem. Your storage fill up fast, and usually it's happened at the worst moment, right when you want to keep shooting. And if you travel or shoot in 4K or ProRes, it gets full even faster. In this video, you'll learn a simple step-by-step method to move your photo and video from your iPhone to an external SSD or hard drive without a computer. And stay until the end because I also show you the reverse step, how to bring your file back into the photo app on your iPhone. This is the exact backup workflow that helps you to free space, keep filming, and protect your footage when you travel. Let's set it up. Before you connect anything, let's make sure your setup works the first time. Here's what you need: an external SSD or hard drive. If you want the easiest and most reliable experience, use an SSD. Why SSD? Because for you it means faster transfer, smaller size in your bag, and better reliability when traveling. You also need the correct cable or adapter. This part matters more than most people think. If your drive is USB-C, you can usually just connect it directly to your iPhone. If your drive is USB-A, you will need an adapter. Pro tip for you: use a good quality cable, ideally the one that came with your SSD, or a USB-C 3.2 cable. A bad cable can cause disconnect, slow speed, or the drive not showing up. Also, you need enough power for the drive. Some drives need more power than the iPhone can provide. If your drive disconnects or doesn't appear, don't panic. Here's the fix: use a powered app, use a drive with its own power, or use a mobile-friendly SSD. Quick win before we continue: format your drive as a exFAT for better compatibility. This is what I use. Now let's do the backup. Before you copy anything, do one thing that will save you a lot of time later. Create a folder and rename it with the date and location. This helps you stay organized, especially when you edit later, you travel for multiple days, or you need to find one specific clip fast. For example, a name could be 2026-02-23 backup. If you skip this and dump everything into one folder, it becomes a mess very quickly. This small step makes your workflow feel professional. Now plug your SSD or your hard drive into your phone. Then open the File app, click on Browse, check on Location. You should see your drive. My drive is the X10 Pro 1TB. I click on it. On the top right corner, you have three dots. You tap on this. You have the option for new folder. Or if you prefer, if you press on the screen, you can see new folder also. Tap on it, type a new folder, write the date. Okay, I have created my folder, and we will be ready to back up of our file in this folder. If you don't see it there, how you can fix it: unplug and reconnect. Try a different cable. Check the drive format again. Is it a exFAT? Because it's a safe choice. As soon as your drive appears, you're ready for the real transfer. Okay, now open the Photo app. This is where you choose exactly what you want to back up. To do this, first tap on Select, and choose your photo and video. So I will choose this one, this one, this one, this one. And I will tap the Share button, the left side. I click Save to File. File location. You will see my X10 Pro 1TB. I click on it. Because we already created our folder, I just have to click on it to save it. If you have not created your folder or you want to create a new one, you just tap on the three dots here. On the top, you have new folder, or just click and hold on the screen and you have new folder also. It's already done, so I just have to tap on it and I tap on Save. Now the copy start. If you select a lot of files, it can take time. Keep your phone awake. Do not disconnect the drive. If you interrupt this part, the backup may be incomplete. This is the key step that lets you move files directly from your iPhone to your external hard drive. No computer needed. If this is your first time with this step, that changes everything in your mobile workflow. In the next step, I will show you the most important part, how to verify the backup so you don't delete file too early. This step is the difference between I copy my file and I know my file are safe. So go back to the File app, Drive. This is the Extend Pro 1 terabyte. I have my folder where I back up my file. All my files are there. So you should see your video, your photo, and the file size. Scroll through it. So I would like the big one. Open it. I check. If I scrub in it, everything seems to be okay. I can hear the sound. I will open another one just to be sure. So, okay, photo, I can open my photo. So everything seems to be correct. This takes less than a minute, but it gives you confidence because you free up your space. When I travel or anytime I plan to delete files from my iPhone, I never do only one backup. Here is the system you can use too. I have the backup SSD 1. I will back up again on SSD 2 and I will verify the SSD 2. Then I keep one drive with me and I put the second drive in the hotel safe or another safe location. Why this is matter for you? If something happened, you lost your bag, stolen gear, one drive is damaged, you still have your footage. This is one of the simplest way to film with more confidence and never lose all your precious footage. Now your backup are done, and this is the part many people are nervous about, deleting file on your iPhone. You should only do this after backup 1 is complete, backup 2 is complete if you use 2 drive, and you tested at least one video and one photo. Once you confirm that, go back to your photo and delete the file you back it up. I go back in photo, click, I will tap on select the file. I delete them, delete 5 video. Now I have deleted my file. There is one more step many people forget. You have to go to Collection, Utility, Recently Deleted, View the album. Now we have the file that we have just deleted. You click on Select. If you make a mistake and didn't want to delete it, you can select the file and do a recover. It will put them in place in the photo app. But now we want to delete all, so I click on Delete All. This will delete everything from this iPhone. Now the files are deleted. Now your iPhone is ready to shoot again. And if you're not 100% sure yet, don't delete anything. Storage problems are annoying, but losing footage is worse. Here is another better fix for you. If you want to edit those files later, just connect your SSD to your computer and you can start editing. No need to copy everything back first if your editing setup supports working directly from the external hard drive. That saves time and keep your workflow simple. Okay, I have a bonus for you, how to import the file back into the iPhone photo app. Now let's do the reverse. You have file on your SSD and you want them back in your iPhone photo app. Here's the simple method. Connect your drive into the iPhone. Go to the File app. Go on Browse, search your drive, iPhone photo app. Tap on your folder where you saved your file. Click on the Select. Select the file that you want to restore, maybe this one. Click on this icon there and tap on the Save Video, just here on the bottom. And now if I go back in the photo app, if the file is large, give it a little time to the transfer. After that, you open the photo app, look at in the recent, and your file will be there. This is the easiest way to bring your footage back into the camera roll. For conclusion, this is the full step-by-step process. You don't need a computer to back up the file on your iPhone. The only thing you need is your iPhone, an external hard drive, and use Save to File option. Don't forget to verify the file. do the two backup. You'll never know when a drive will fail. Also, you can import back save video or save image. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you in my next video. Bye!